Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the splash guard on this KitchenAid garbage disposer, you will need a 3/8" nut driver or a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the unit's power cord. If there is not enough slack, detach the dishwasher's drain hose from the disposer inlet port, if applicable. Using the 3/8" nut driver or the flathead screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the tailpipe flange to the disposer. Now rotate the lock ring counterclockwise to release the disposer from the sink. If still intact, pull off the old splash guard. To install the new splash guard, align it over the lip on the top of the disposer. Reinstall the disposer by positioning it in the mounting bracket, making sure the disposer's outlet port is aligned with the tailpipe. Confirm the tailpipe gasket is in place on the outlet port. Then position the tailpipe flange with the port and thread the two screws to secure. Now fully rotate the disposer lock ring clockwise until it locks into place. If applicable, reattach the dishwasher's drain hose to the inlet port. Plug the power cord back in, and the garbage disposer should be ready for use.